Want the rich flavor of real wood-fired cooking without constantly standing over your grill? Today we're reviewing the Traeger Woodridge Elite Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker, a premium pellet grill with 970 square inches of cooking space, WiFIRE connectivity, super smoke mode, a side burner, insulated construction, and digital temperature control. It can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise and barbecue, all on one machine. But is the Woodridge Elite worth its premium price? Let's find out. The Woodridge Elite is designed for people who want a versatile outdoor cooking station rather than a basic backyard grill. Its 970 square inch cooking area is spread across multiple racks, with enough capacity for up to 6 chickens, 8 racks of ribs, or 8 pork butts, according to Traeger. It can reach temperatures from approximately 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to go from low and slow smoking to high temperature grilling. One of the biggest reasons to consider this grill is wood-fired flavor and temperature control. Traeger's Super Smoke Mode is designed to increase smoke production for low and slow cooking, while the free flow firepot helps maintain consistent smoke flow around the food. The fully digital controller lets you set your cooking temperature without constantly adjusting vents or managing a charcoal fire. And with WiFIRE connectivity, you can monitor and adjust your cook through the Traeger app from your phone. That means you can check temperatures or make adjustments without standing next to the grill the entire time. The Elite goes beyond traditional pellet grilling with its built-in side burner. You can use it for searing steaks, sautéing vegetables, simmering sauces, or even preparing side dishes while your main food cooks inside the grill. The grill also includes a 24-pound pellet hopper, a digital pellet sensor, wired meat probe and Bluetooth meat thermometer compatibility. For cleanup, the EZ-Clean Grease and Ash Keg collects grease and pellet ash in one accessible location. You also get an enclosed storage cabinet, a side shelf, and compatibility with Traeger's PAL and Modi fire accessories, allowing you to customize the cooking station. In everyday use, the Woodridge Elite is all about convenience and versatility. You can start a brisket at a low temperature using Super Smoke, monitor the cook remotely with WiFIRE, and then increase the heat when it's time to finish your food. The insulated grill body is also designed to help with year-round cooking, while the wide cooking area gives you enough room for larger family meals and gatherings. The biggest trade-off is size and weight. The Elite weighs around 221 pounds, with dimensions of approximately 67 by 27 by 47 inches, so this is definitely a substantial backyard cooking station rather than a portable grill. So, is the Traeger Woodridge Elite worth buying? If you want a premium pellet grill that combines wood-fired flavor, Wi-Fi control, super smoke, a large 970 square inch cooking area, side burner cooking and convenient cleanup, this is one of the most feature-packed options in the Woodridge lineup. The main consideration is price. Traeger currently lists the Woodridge Elite at $1,799.99, so it's a significant investment compared with the standard Woodridge and Woodridge Pro models. For serious backyard cooks, families, barbecue enthusiasts and anyone who wants one machine capable of handling everything from brisket to burgers and side dishes, the Elite offers a lot of versatility. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available deals, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of grills, smokers, outdoor cooking equipment and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.